Good morning. Welcome to another beautiful painting, hopefully. It's Thanksgiving here. We got some time before I have to go and eat some food, hang out with family, and enjoy some nice quiet time before the awfulness that is Black Friday, if you work in retail. If you do, I am sorry. I am there with you. 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. So, if that's what you have to look forward to, enjoy your nice quiet day. Hopefully you don't have to go into work today and get ready for anything. I know we stayed late last night to get all the ad ready so that we didn't have to go in early tomorrow or today even. There are many years where I had to work on Thanksgiving, which is ridiculous. It started out, early on Black Friday, and then it creeped to midnight on Thursday night, and then it just kind of went downhill from there over the years. So it's nice that stores are getting back to just doing Black Friday on Friday. Imagine that. All right, so since today is Thanksgiving, we're going to do one last fall colors thing. Just one. Oops, do I want to do this? Nope. Oh, did I lose it? Well, we're just going to use this. I can't find what I was going to use. Just so you know exactly what time it is, we're at the 52nd minute in the Uruguay South Korea game for the World Cup. Been watching a lot of soccer or football during this. Very much enjoy watching soccer, so it's fun to see different countries, different ways of playing. Some better than others. Some of them, there are a lot of pushing and shoving and angry playing, like if you watch the United States versus Wales. And then you have just very efficient, well-played games like Germany and Japan, where I don't think there was a single yellow card. May not have loved the outcome of that game, but it was at least a clean game, well played by both sides. So I guess I'm a little weird like that. Used to coach youth soccer, so I like to see teams, just playing the right way, not not playing dirty or rough, or, you know, it's supposed to be a minimal contact kind of game. So nice to see it played well. And I always told my players, you know, you want to learn how to play soccer and play it well, then you should watch professionals. Now, you should ignore all the silly, you know, rolling around on the ground and that kind of garbage. But you know, you watch enough games, you see how things are done and why things are done. It's very hard to explain tactics to kids when they, you know, have nothing to go by. So sounds like it's raining. All right. Well, let's see if I can get this silly thing working today. Well, barely. Apparently I need some more butane for that. Get this charged up. Looks like I lost most of my yellow in here. But hopefully you can see enough of the copper color in here. Yeah, I use glue for this one. Running a little low on the Floetrol, so, and I thought it'd be fun to see what it did. It does a lot of cool little things when you use the glue and the silicone. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a, oops, forgot to shut off that light. Now you can see it better. Hope you have a beautiful day. If you have Thanksgiving, hug your family. You never know when something might happen, you won't see them again. Or if it's not Thanksgiving where you are, hug your family anyway. Be thankful for what you have, and Enjoy it while you can. See you in the next one.